Hello, my name is Birgit. I create structured and practical learning videos, ideal for training, onboarding, and e-learning applications. My learning videos follow a clear and well-structured design. Organized content, engaging visuals, and consistent design elements ensure that information is quickly and effectively understood. In my projects, I also use AI-powered tools, for example, to support script development, generate creative ideas, and produce professional voiceovers, as shown in this video. For more complex topics, I use animations to clearly illustrate processes, relationships, and technical terms. In these videos, for example, I explain the typical layer structure of roads, the components of the upper and lower roadbed, or terms such as Radvaarstreifen, Farbahn, Banket, and Boschung. These animations help to quickly convey complex concepts and provide greater clarity, especially for technical or administrative content. In my software trainings, I deliberately start with clear and practical examples. Users first see how an activity in Moodle looks and functions from the learner's perspective, what its purpose is, and how it can be applied in a realistic teaching scenario. Only then do I guide them step by step through the entire setup process. This structured approach helps learners quickly assess whether the feature fits their instructional goals before having to deal with the detailed configuration settings. If you are looking for professional learning videos or high-quality e-learning content, I would be happy to hear from you. Feel free to contact me directly at Birgit@Mayantigo.com or visit our website.